Hello, today we are going to discuss Class 10th Sample Paper 5. Chapter is Class 10 Sample Paper 5 and subject is Science. Question number 31. A student focused the sun rays using an optical device X on a screen S as shown. This may be concluded that device X is a convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Option B, convex lens of radius of curvature 20 cm. Option C, convex lens of focal length 20 cm. Option D, concave mirror of focal length 20 cm. Since light rays are coming from infinity and converging at a point, this is a convex lens. Now, the light coming from the infinity are converged at the focal point of the convex lens. So, the focal length of the convex lens is 20 cm. Since the distance between the lens and the screen where the image is converged is 20 cm, we can conclude that the focal length of the lens is 20 cm. Hence, option C. Question number 32. After passing the path of a ray of light through a rectangular glass slab for 4 different values of the angle of incidence, a student reported his observation in a tabular form as given below. The best observation is option A 1, option B 3, option C 2, option D 4. Observation 4 will give the best result because it has the largest angle of incidence, due to which lateral displacement between the incident ray and the emergent ray will be maximum for the light rays passing through a glass slab. Hence, the option D is the correct option. Question number 33. A student traces the path of a ray passing through a rectangular glass slab and marks the angle of incidence I, angle of refraction R, and angle of emergence E as shown. The correctly marked angles are I only, R only, E only, or I and E both. Answer is angle of incidence, angle of refraction, and angle of emergence. All are measured from the normal to the surface. Therefore, only angle of refraction, that is angle R, is marked correctly. Other angles are not marked correctly. Hence, the correct option is C. Question number 34. Study the following diagrams in which the path of a ray of light passing through a glass prism as traced by 4 students are given below. The students are P, Q, R and S, and the figure are marked as A, B, C and D. The student who has traced the path correctly is, you have to tell whether it is P, Q, R or S. Q has traced the path correctly. When the light is traveling from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends from the normal of the surface. While when the light travels from a denser medium to a rarer medium, it bends away from the normal of the surface. In the first case, when the light travels from air to the prism, that is from rarer medium to denser medium, and when it comes out, it travels from denser medium to rarer medium, that is from prism to the air. So in this way, the student Q has traced the path correctly. Question number 35. In the following diagram, the path of a ray passing through a glass prism is shown. In this diagram, the angle of incidence, the angle of emergence, and the angle of deviation respectively are. Select the correct option. Option A, X, R and T. Option B, Y, Q and T. Option C, X, Q and P. And the last option is Y, Q and P. The angle made by the incident ray with the normal to the first face of the prism is called incident angle, which is the angle Y here. The angle made by the emergent ray with the normal to the surface when it comes out from the prism after refraction is called emergent ray, which is angle Q here. The angle between the incident and the emergent ray is called angle of deviation, which is angle P here. Hence, the correct option is D. You can see in the figure, the angle Y is angle of incidence, angle Q is angle of emergence, and angle P is the angle of deviation here. That's all, friends. Thank you.